Updating your legal name on OKX is a straightforward process that can be completed quickly. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated efficiently. Step 1. Log into your OKX account. Access your OKX account by entering your credentials on the official website or app. Make sure you have your account information handy. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is typically found in the profile menu, often represented by your account name or an icon. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the account settings, find the option for Personal Information or Identity Verification. Click on this option to proceed to the Name Update section. Step 4. Submit Name Change Request. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Assert to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After submitting your request, check for a confirmation email or notification within the app. Ensure that your new name is reflected in your account details. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name on OKX should be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.